A Nigerian expert has hailed the Belt and Road Initiative as a game-changing project as it promotes connectivity and contributes to building a global community of a shared future.
Our aspiration for collective peace, our aspiration for development, our aspiration for peace, for common shared prosperity is the same. But you need to create the necessary infrastructure to bring us together. And I think China generated this interesting wisdom about Belt and Road. And that was what Belt and Road was all about. Connectivity, infrastructure connectivity, financial connectivity, and people-to-people connectivity, cultural connectivity, civilization dialogue, all these things are tied to it. So this, the Belt and Road in the past 10 years has been game-changing for the world. Today, under the BRI framework, we've seen this. The Ethiopia, Djibouti, in Zambia, we built, huge power plants. Our own Lekki Deep Seaport, the first ever for Nigeria, to turn the region, Nigeria, into a hub, maritime hub. So, Belt and Road has come to deliver practical building blocks for building a community of shared future, shared destiny.